I have always been a Samsung fan for my televisions, but I wanted to give Sony a chance. I have about 3 other Samsungs in the house. So the Sony Bravia really intrigued me. Now they didn't pay me to do this or send me a free TV, which would be nice, but no, we paid for this TV. And what really stood out in the Sony unboxing was the quality. They really packaged it well. And there's a thick cardboard cover here you see on the front of it that protects it really well. Once I got it mounted, it was really easy to set up. You just use the standard VESA 4-screw mounts on the back, and I was really impressed at the snappiness of the software. Smart TVs have come a long way. Remember when the old days you'd click and wait for each menu to change? Now you just get on there, put up the QR code, set up with your phone, and then once the TV gets set up with your phone, your Google account, because Sony does use the Google system, and you get in there and you can really whip through these menus pretty quick. The remote is very snappy, which is really nice, and you can really feel just how fast the processor is in this machine. Now we went with a 55-inch in the man cave because there's really not much more room with this sloping roof from the second floor. So 55 is plenty for up here. But this TV does come up from 55, 65, 75 inches, and it is a very sharp LED TV, not an OLED. Now the Sony TVs are definitely not going to be as cheap as your Chinese-made TVs, but there's something to be said about the quality of this TV. The speakers sound great, the software is great, it's smooth and fast. And I would try to stick with Samsung, Sony's, those major brands. LG, of course, is another good one. I'm not really a fan of the Vizios and the other Chinese-made TVs. Now we mostly use this TV for a Plex server or as a gaming monitor. It has a computer hooked to it. And with the Sony ecosystem, of course, you can always hook up PlayStation 5s and things like that to them. Now Sony does have their kind of ecosystem tie-in with their sound bars and their PlayStations and all that, all kind of part of the Sony system. But I'm curious, what do you guys use your TVs in your accessory rooms for? Do you use them for gaming, or do you use them mostly just as TVs or as glorified monitors hooked to your computer? Just let me know in the comments below, because I'm always curious to see what people do with their TVs. And even in your old TVs, do you just take them and put them in your guest bedrooms and kind of filter them down? And you always put your best TVs, of course, in your living rooms. And then, like most of us, then the last place it goes is usually as a garage TV or something like that. I just want to thank you guys for watching and also subscribing to my channel. I just recently hit over 1 million views and 2,000 subscribers, and I'm really grateful to each and every one of you guys. So please comment below and let me know if you guys have any questions or any future videos you would like me to do. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.